Hey, what's going on guys? And in this video I'm going to show you how to burn the Arduino bootloader using an Arduino Uno. For materials you'll need a Arduino Uno, the Atmega328 chip, a 10K resistor, two 22 picofarad capacitors, a 16 MHz crystal, and basic prototyping materials. Before we build the circuit, we first need to upload the Arduino ISP sketch onto the Arduino Uno. This sketch can be found by going to File, Example, Arduino ISP, and then the Arduino ISP sketch. Then make sure that your board is set to Arduino Uno and that the programmer is set to AVR ISP MK2. Then upload the code to the board. Okay, so here's the circuit that we need to build in order to burn the bootloader. First we'll make the power and ground connections. Pins 7 and 20 goes to the 5-volt rail, and pins 8 and 22 goes to ground. Pin 1 goes to digital pin 10, and pin 1 also gets connected to the 5-volt rail using the 10K resistor. The leads of the crystal will be connected to pins 9 and 10, and the other leads of the crystal will be connected to ground using the two 22 picofarad capacitor. Pin 17 gets connected to digital pin 11, pin 18 to digital pin 12, and pin 19 to digital pin 13. Once the connections are complete, we are ready to burn the bootloader. To do this, navigate to the Arduino IDE. Make sure your board is set to the Arduino Uno and change the programmer to Arduino as ISP. Then to burn the bootloader, just go to Tools and then Burn Bootloader. Once this is done, you could verify that the bootloader has been burned by replacing the Atmega on the Arduino Uno and uploading an example test sketch like the Blink sketch. If you're going to be burning a lot of bootloaders, I recommend building a shield so that way you don't have to build the circuit each time. This is one that I made using a Arduino Shield PCB, a 28-pin socket, male headers, and jumper wires. Okay, that concludes this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.